Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's another vintage Coach unboxing. This one comes with a nice gift box and a little gift tag that says Coach on it here. So let's see what we've got. It comes with the price tag, the original price tag, and this little booklet. So this is the Trigger Snap key fob. It's in the color British Tan. I would estimate it was most likely from the 1990s. So this is a key fob that you could use to attach to the outside of a handbag, and then you would attach your keys to this key ring right here. So you could easily keep your keys attached to your bag. I'll show you an example. So here's a British Tan handbag that we have in stock right now, and another Trigger Snap key fob. So like I mentioned, you could attach your keys right here, and then you can just attach it to the hardware and then detach it when you want to use the keys, and then just attach it back like so when you are not using the keys and just want to have it attached to your bag. So that's how you could use the Trigger Snap key fob. And like I mentioned, it comes with this little Coach booklet with information on the brand, and then it also comes with the original price tag. So that is the beautiful vintage Coach Trigger Snap key fob. It is available now in our online store, so if you're interested, the link will be below, as well as if you're interested in signing up for our newsletter, the email list link will be below in the description box, as well as links to our social media accounts if you'd like to stay up to date with new bags as we post them. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.